If you've ever opened Procreate and thought, okay, this is cool, but kind of a lot, or like it's speaking a different language, you're not alone. Especially if you're used to more structured tools where things live in menus and panels, Procreate can feel loose, fast, and a little unpredictable at first. Now, my goal in this course is to help that new language start making sense. Hey, I'm Nathan Brown. I'm an illustrator, a painter, an educator, and I've been working with both traditional and digital tools for a long time. I use Procreate every day for sketches, finished illustrations, client work, and personal projects. And over the years, I've learned what actually matters when you're starting out and what just adds noise. This course is designed to help you learn Procreate the right way. Not every way, not the perfect way, just a clear, practical path that actually makes sense. You'll learn how to sketch, paint, choose colors, work with layers, add texture, and bring everything together into finished illustrations all inside Procreate. But more importantly, you'll learn why things work the way they do, so you're not just copying steps, you're building real confidence. And we'll learn through hands-on demos and real projects, so by the end of the course, you'll have polished illustrations you can confidently add to your portfolio. This course is made for creatives and designers who want to add Procreate to their toolkit. You don't need any previous Procreate experience, you don't need to be good at drawing. And if you're already familiar with more traditional design tools, you'll get to apply those same skills in a new way that unlocks a more intuitive, hands-on approach to illustration. And one last thing, don't worry about perfection here. This course is about experimenting, getting comfortable, and building momentum. Procreate is an incredibly powerful tool, and once it clicks, it's a lot of fun. So take a breath, grab your iPad, and let's get started.